Midjourney V7, the secret new features for professional art. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be diving into something huge for all of you creators out there, designers, and anyone who's working with AI art, Midjourney V7, and its new secret features that are taking professional level art to the very next level. Now, if you've used previous versions of Midjourney, you already know how powerful it is. But version 7 isn't just an upgrade. It is a total shift. The quality, the realism, the control, it's all been pushed towards and forward in a way that makes it feel less like a tool and more like a creative partner. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the hidden features, how to use them properly, and how you can start creating artwork that genuinely looks like it belongs in a professional portfolio. So, what's new in Midjourney? So before we get into the secrets, basically, let's understand what actually went ahead and changed. Now, the most noticeable improvement is in image quality and consistency. Faces look more natural, lighting will behave much better, and you can go ahead and create the most realistic compositions which feel more intentional. But beyond that, there are deeper upgrades. Better prompt understanding, improved style and control, and more accurate rendering of all the details. Now, Midjourney interprets prompts with a higher level of context, meaning you don't need to overly complicate descriptions to get precise results. And at the same time, if you do go detailed, the AI handles complexity much better than before. Now, this balances between simplicity and depth, and that is what makes V7 so powerful for both beginners and professionals. So, let's talk about the advanced prompt understanding. All right. Now, one of the biggest hidden upgrades is how it understands prompts. So let's say we have this over here, right? Now you can see the prompt is interior of Bletchley Park during World War II, a large room inside a British manor filled with code breakers working at wooden desks, papers covered in numbers and symbols scattered everywhere, early cryptographic machines with wires and rotating parts, dim warm desk lamps, etc. And it goes on, and you can see it creates it flawlessly where it actually makes it look like a scene from a movie, which is actually pretty crazy. So you can see that the prompt is pretty complicated. It's pretty long and held. So you can fine tune your whole style. Midjourney reads prompts more like a human would. It understands the relationship between the words, it prioritizes all of your key elements, and maintains consistency across the image. Now, this means you can actually write more and much naturally instead of actually stacking keywords. You can go ahead and describe a scene as if you're explaining it to someone. The AI will pick up on the tone, style, and intent much more accurately. However, the real trick is knowing how to guide it. Subtle wording changes can dramatically affect your outcome. So, experimenting with phrasing and going ahead and actually checking different things out becomes a very powerful tool. So, the more intentional your language, the more refined your results are going to be. So, Midjourney V7 also introduces deeper control over your artistic styles. So, let's say we're going to check this one out. Okay, this is a very artsy gram that's going to go ahead and give you broad categories like realistic or anime. You can fine tune your style intensity, blend multiple influences, and create consistent visual identities. This is especially important for professionals who want a more recognizable style. You can actually generate multiple images that share the same aesthetic, making it easier to build portfolios for yourself. You also get great brand visuals or even entire projects with a cohesive look. Now, the key here is consistency. Using similar prompts, adjusting style parameters carefully, and refining outputs over time. With V7, you're not just generating images, you're crafting a visual signature for yourself. Now, another major upgrade is going to be how it handles lighting and composition. So, this is a good example. You can see that the lighting and the composition of the people walking by with the shadows over there, and the composition of the shade as they pass by is absolutely incredible. It's extremely flawless, and it gives you a very good idea of how it has improved. And this is one of the features you don't fully appreciate until you compare it with older versions. Lighting now behaves more naturally with realistic shadows, highlights, and depth. Composition has also improved significantly. Subjects are framed much better. Background actually goes ahead and complements the main focus. All right. And it actually goes ahead and moves on to give us a proper advantage for professional work because good composition is what separates average images from the high quality art. So, to take full advantage of this, start thinking like a photographer. Describe lighting conditions, camera angles, and depth of field in your prompts. The AI will always interpret these details and translate them into visually compelling results. Let's talk about iteration and refinement techniques. Creating professional art with Midjourney V7 is not about getting the perfect image on the first try. It is about the iteration. It's one of the most powerful workflows in generating. Then, obviously, refining it step by step leads you to a lot more. Use variations to go ahead and explore different directions for your designs and give it different types of prompts to give you a good idea on how things can actually work with your art. Each iteration brings you closer to the final piece. Go ahead and think of it as a conversation between you and the actual AI. You guide it, it responds, and together you refine the output. This process is where the secret really lies. Professionals don't rely on a single prompt, they build their images through multiple stages, making small adjustments until everything looks absolutely right. So, this basically creates portfolio level artwork, and you can go ahead and join it right now using either your Discord or Google. That depends on you. And Midjourney V7 is obviously available for all personnel out there. Okay, you can easily use Midjourney for yourself and get the right designs you need. You can either go with your Google or with your Discord, whatever you're more comfortable with. And of course, do make sure to get a good, consistent idea of how your software will choose to work with your AI model engine in Midjourney. Now, obviously, there is a plan there. Okay, there is something as a proper plan that will go ahead and cause you to give you an idea on how things are going to work. So if you go ahead and create, you can see there are plans of $8, 24, 48, and 96. Now, Midjourney V7 is going to be available on all of these. So if you actually want to go ahead and get it for yourself on these, you can do that. So that's basically how you unlock the secret new features of Midjourney V7 to create professional level art, from understanding its improved prompt handling, mastering style control, leveraging better lighting and composition, to refining your work through iteration. You now have a complete workflow to take your AI art to the very next level. So if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell because I'll be bringing more content like this to help you stay ahead in the world of AI and creative tools. Drop a comment below if you want me to share advanced prompt formulas or real-world examples of professional Midjourney projects. But till then, that is all for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.